CRAFTS allows childcare providers to white-label the login and online registration screens by allowing programs to upload their own logo. Here's how to do it. While on the admin screen, click Logo Upload. Click the Upload button to select an image file of your logo. The logo file must be 400 by 400 pixels or less and under 500 kilobytes, or else an error will pop up. The pop-up should provide a link to a website that allows you to resize images. Just resize your logo file with this or your preferred image resizing tool and try to upload the file again. Press the Preview and Close button to save the logo. This feature allows your program to better market and promote itself. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and feel free to reach out if you need additional support.